And, I made this horrible website and, I made it in Photoshop and then I cut it up and I brought it into Dreamweaver and then I
Uh-huh.
used this application called Fetch, which was an
Yeah.
FTP application. And
Yeah.
I put it on the web. And then like the moment when I typed in the URL
Mhm.
and I saw my horrible website in a web browser
Right.
was just it was magical. I mean, it
Yeah,
was it was
yeah.
really it felt like magic to me.
Mm.
That was really magical. Like I was like, well, how can I make these static buttons do something?
Yeah, yeah.
So, then I had to learn a little bit of JavaScript. And then it was like,
Right.
well, I'd like a web form. So then I need
Mhm.
to learn some PHP. And then
Yeah.
it's like, well, the people are submitting things via this web form. Where are they going to go? They're going to have to go in a database. So,
Database,
and then all of a
yeah.
sudden I had this informal sort of like web stack
Right,
knowledge
yeah.
because, like you can build the best system in the world, but if it has a crappy user interface on top of
Yes.
it, like marrying those two things together was such a smart way for my career to go as the director of IT, where I'm still able, even
Mhm.
though the position is called a director, and lots of folks would assume that the director of IT directs IT, which
Mhm.
is what I'm doing, but I'm also super hands-on because
Yeah,
that's why I
yeah,
love. And
yeah.
so those are still the things that I try to bring into my work, even though there are budgets
Yeah.
now